And we are live. Hello, Kwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening here sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. And to those who watch the replay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's raining cats and dogs here sa Pinas with matching thunder and lightning. So nakakatakot, di ba? Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang go live para sa kabuhayan. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Lauren, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Love business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So kahapon, during the misa, mass, the priest asked something that really hits me. Bakit ba ako nabubuhay sa mundo? Why am I alive? So most of us, we keep moving, working, paying bills, sleeping, then doing it all over again. Pero huminto ba tayo and we ask bakit? What's the real purpose of my life? And here's the thing, we are not born to exist. We are not here para lang kumain, matulog, magtrabaho, and repeat. We are born to make impact. We are born to love, to serve, and to help others. But here's the reality. How can we give if we are empty? How can we help others financially if we ourselves are struggling? You cannot pour from an empty cup. So just a few days ago, someone messaged me. Yung father niya nadulas sa bathroom and need to be rushed sa hospital. She just lost her job recently, and although she's been working in a new job for 2 weeks na daw, her father doesn't have any insurance, health insurance to cover the bills. And I think she doesn't have any savings for emergencies like this. And she reached out to me asking for financial help. My heart wanted to help so badly, but the truth is, I'm also dealing with a lot. Big, big house repairs. Ganun siguro talaga kapag yung tumira sa bahay or yung tagabantay ng bahay, walang concern for you. But anyway, passes pass. So, yun nga, house expenses na expenses na sana nagagamit ko for advertisement ng aking shop, personal expenses, and so many responsibilities on my plate. And that's when it hit me again. This is exactly why being financially stable is so important. Because emergencies don't wait until you are ready. When someone you love is in crisis, don't wait to be in the position where you want to say na, I wish I could, but I can't. That's why I believe it's not selfish to want more. It's not selfish to aim for financial freedom. Because when you are full, when you are stable, when you have extra, you can lift others up with you. So for me, that's why I'm so passionate about building my digital business. Yes, it's for my family, my kids, my partner, my mom, but also for the people I want to help. For the children whose education I want to sponsor. So may listahan na ako niyan. And for the sick who can afford treatment, pero syempre number one sa list ko yung special na bata sa akin. He is autistic, but he is a very smart boy. So pang therapy niya, 'di ba? Pag autism, sobrang mahal ng therapy. Yeah, that is my dream of supporting my community. So maybe that's something we can all reflect on today. If God put us here for a purpose, what are we doing to prepare ourselves to fulfill it? Because life is more than just surviving. It's about building enough abundance so we can be the answer to someone else's prayer. So why are you alive? And are you ready to live it out? This is something to reflect on. We live not just for ourselves, but to be a blessing to others. So, nagbuhay, um, to be a blessing to others. Nagbuhay na naangat, I mean, kung nabubuhay ka na naaangat mo yung iba, maaangat ka din. Wag lang yung sarili natin, yung isipin natin. Para Dahil 'pag tumulong tayo sa iba, mas lalo tayong aangat. Thank you for liking my go-live, Mansing Patwa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yun, if we are helping others, maaangat din tayo because we are helping them, aangat tayo sa pagtulong natin sa kapwa. So wag lang yung sarili natin ang isipin natin. So thank you for spending time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. So let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. So bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you are curious or you want to know why I am passionately doing this business, just message me or sign up on my website so I can teach you how you can get started. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.